Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete alt messages on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your message application on your Android phone. Then you have to click on this three dots button. And after you click on this three dots button, you can click on settings option, guys. And this is the settings option. And you're going to click on more settings. Then we can activate the delete alt message feature. So make sure that you click on this toggle button to activate it. And if you activate this feature, the messages on your Android phone will be deleted automatically after you reach 1,000 tags, 100 multimedia messages, or 5,000 chats. Okay guys, and that's how we can automatically delete alt message on our Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.